And for today's project, we'll be making some wall art. And we'll be starting our project with these shower curtain rings that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 packs. I also have some more rings that I got from Amazon. There was like 35 in the pack, and I will leave a link for those in the description box. I have some 3-inch mirrors as well as some 1-inch mirrors. We'll be using those on today. And I'll be using my metallic gold spray paint by Rust-Oleum. The next thing I want to do is figure out my layout for my rings. And I think I'll go 6 rings across and 6 rings down. And that's about the size of my small table. So I'm going to lay them out, and then I'll come back and use the glue to glue them together. I decided to take the gold rings out, and this is the look that I came up with. And I'm going to take a picture of this so that once I remove it, I can use my hot glue gun and glue it back together and still know in which direction I was going. Now it's time to start gluing all of my rings together. I want to make sure that they're all fastened first, and then I will be gluing them together. Now, if you're looking at my design, I am making the fasteners more to the middle so that it makes a diamond type shape when I glue them together. I first glued them by 2s, then glued the 2 rings together, making a row of 6. To make my second row, I'll do the same thing I did in the first row. I'll take sets of 2, glue them together to make 6, and then connect the 6 to the first row. Now that I have the 6 rings connected in 2 rows, I'll take the 2 rows of 3 and connect them together, if that makes any sense. But you can see here, I have 3 panels, and we're going to connect these panels. How about that? Once I have all my panels connected, I will be taking them outside to spray paint them gold, and I will return. I am back, and my shower rings have been spray painted gold. And now we're ready to move to the next step. And no, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. There are 8 rows of shower rings. I added another row on either side. Now I'm ready to find my placement for my 2-inch mirrors. So I'm just laying out my 2-inch mirrors before I glue them down. I also added in my 1-inch mirrors, and this is what it looks like. Now that I have my mirrors glued down, I am going to lay out my gold rings. Once they're in place, again, I'm going to use my hot glue to glue them down. Now here I decided I did not like the 8 rows. I preferred the 6 like I thought I would in the first place. So I removed 2 rows, and I also removed my middle 2-inch mirror and replaced it with a 5-inch mirror. I like this look, so this is what I'm going to glue in place. And this is what it looks like. Now that the rings and the mirrors are glued down, I'm going to move on to the second piece I want to do. It's the same piece but done just a little bit different. It's a smaller version. So first I want to take 2 rings just like before and glue them together. Once I have 16 sets of 2, I'll glue 2 together to have a set of 4. Once I have 4 sets, I'll glue the 4 sets together so that I have a total of 16 rings glued together in a square. When I have 4 sets of 4, I'll take them and spray paint them gold. I am back, and now I'm going to glue the 4 sets together once again to make a square. Once again, I'm going to add my 2-inch mirrors where the curtain rings connect. I'm going to finish adding these mirrors to this piece, and there's a few more mirrors I want to add to the larger piece to cover up the glue. Now I have these round jewels that I'm going to use to cover up yet more of the glue so that everything will be nice and finished. When I'm done adding the jewels, I'm going to clean up the wall pieces and we'll be back for the reveal. I am back and my mirror wall art is complete. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. Now I decided to hang my pieces this way, but you can also hang them in a square. I'm hanging them here just to show them, but I will be finding a home for them in my space because I absolutely love them. On the larger piece, you can see the gold rings. You can also see the jewels that I added to the piece. Absolutely stunning. So if you're watching and you enjoyed this content and you haven't hit that subscribe button, now is the time to do so. You want to hit that subscribe button. You want to make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Also, Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you will be aware of all of my upcoming videos. I want to say to you all, thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.